My name's Amy from Anchor Cars, and today I'm going to be taking you through this vehicle. If you do have any questions following on from the video, please don't hesitate to give us a call on the number shown above, and our salesman will be more than happy to go through those with you. This is the 2019 MG ZS. This vehicle has done just under 49,000 miles. It has a manual transmission and a petrol fuel type. On the touchscreen we have access to features such as Apple CarPlay, radio and Bluetooth. If we click on car and go into comfort and convenience, we have unique features such as follow me home and find my car. If we put the vehicle into reverse, we can see that it comes with parking sensors. Thank you for watching the video. Our opening times are Monday to Friday 9 till 6, Saturday 9 till 5 and Sunday 10 till 4. I'll also be displaying our contact details on the screen for you now.